Certainly a hot day across south central Virginia today. You can see how the clouds have built up in the heat of the day. You reach a temperature where the air just can't stand it anymore and you have to get something going. That's basically called the convective temperature. Without getting too technical, it means it's hot enough to generate those showers and storms based on any little disturbance moving through. But with varying amounts of cloud cover this afternoon, we started out clear and that got temperatures well up into the 90s. Normally that wouldn't be too big of a deal, but because we've had temperatures some 10 to 20 degrees cooler because of all the rain, it's kind of a shock to the system today. So that's what we're dealing with. Look how nicely our futurecast lines everything up here this evening, showing the scattered showers and storms moving out of the northwest toward the south, or out of the northeast toward the southwest, and a few clouds remaining early Wednesday morning. We may do this all over again with some scattered hit or miss storms by the afternoon on Wednesday. Otherwise, it remains hazy, hot, and humid in this weather pattern that we're dealing with. So our forecast overnight tonight will only take temperatures down because of all the humidity in the air into the lower 70s for Bedford and the Lynchburg. Same story in Danville, where you may only get to 74 tonight. That's just balmy weather. And we'll be dodging those hit or miss scattered storms and showers around 67 for the New River Valley, 72 into the Roanoke Valley. Right back into the lower 90s again tomorrow. Hot and humid, scattered afternoon storms bubbling up, I'd say by 1 or 2 o'clock in the mountains. And then for the rest of us by about 3 or 4 o'clock, be watching the skies on our radar picture for that. Partly sunny to mostly sunny in the morning, and then more storms maybe developing toward the evening hours. Again, highs hot in the 90s, where we may hit 94 Martinsville, 94 Danville, 93 along Smith Mountain Lake. It wouldn't be a bad day to be out on the lake, but just keep a watchful eye to the sky. 94 Central Franklin County and Rocky Mountain, 92 in the Roanoke, upper 80s for Blacksburg. Really much the same here for Thursday, Friday into the upcoming weekend. Just hit or miss stuff, calling for maybe a 30% coverage of showers and storms by Saturday. Slightly better chance toward the end of the weekend. So if you have weekend plans, you may want to get them done earlier in the weekend. Looks like it may be a little bit wetter toward the second half of the weekend. That will temper our temperatures a bit from the 90s back into the upper 80s by the end of the weekend.